managed to get the shoes 7 days early. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a different kind of video. This is actually a pair of sneakers from Adidas that actually hasn't released yet. Today is the 5th of September and these are supposed to release on the 12th of September at 11 o'clock I think at night in the UK. Might be different elsewhere. But Adidas actually had a glitch on their app and quite a lot of people, I just posted on my Instagram the glitch. I'll post it again here just so you can see how it worked. And it actually allowed people to cop these shoes early. I actually thought they would be cancelled, but apparently not. Don't really know what's going on at Adidas, but we managed to get the shoes 7 days early. So I'll just now show you the glitch and how it works. I think you had to have an iPhone to do this. You had to go on the Adidas app and then you search Pharrell. For some people it didn't seem to work. The shoe wasn't coming up. I don't think it worked in the US, but it did work in the UK and other places across Europe. I think Canada it worked as well. So when you search Pharrell, it comes up with the sneakers. For some people, the heart logo here wasn't appearing, but for me, as you can see, it did. You would select the heart, which would add it to your wish list. Then at the bottom, you'd click the cart, and then you could see it says you have one item in your wish list. You would then click this wish list item, and then you could from there you could add it to your cart in your selected size, and then it would allow you to purchase. Sometimes it would say sold out, but if you just refreshed or tried again, it would be available again, and that's how I got this pair. So we'll now just get straight into the review. So it's just a normal Adidas packaging. I've already opened it because I posted the video on my Instagram, but we'll take out the box itself, chuck that to the side. And here we have HU NMD. Here is the label. Hopefully it's going to focus. This pair is 100% authentic. Don't really know why I need to say that. It's straight from Adidas, straight from the app. On the top it says 3HU and then 2018 on the top. So we open up the box and it has some very thin Adidas wrapping, which is actually not very good condition, but oh well. And then we just have the sneakers themselves. So here we have the Human Race NMD in the black with gum sole colourway. To me, this is a very nice sneaker. I think the colourway is perfect. I love a black sneaker with a gum sole. I just think it works incredibly well. This is a full black colourway with a gum sole, but it does come with some silver laces. I'm not too sure if they're reflective. I'll check that for you. On the back of the sneakers themselves, it's actually quite a nice wee touch. They have the triangle, but it has a multicolored outline on it. Kind of stands out a bit on this side. I think it's a nice touch. On this side, it's just the black Adidas logo. On the top, it says Infinite and then Species. I'm not too why. I have no idea what that stands for. It has the classic cages on the side with the laces going across. I think I'll probably leave these stock laced, but I don't know. I might mix it up a bit. I've seen quite a few people who lace it around the heel. It looks pretty cool. It is a black boost on the upper, but as you can see through the gum sole, there's actually a white boost below. You can also see it on the inside of the sneaker itself. The insole is a multicolored insole. I don't know if that's going to show up, but there you go. Although these were purchased through a glitch and actually purchased early, there isn't much resale to them. I'll show you the StockX price just here. So if you're purchasing to resell, I don't think there's any point really at the moment, unless they are extremely limited on release day, the price will go up. However, I'm not too sure about that. I don't think it really will. The hype for Human Races has kind of died, apart from the original pairs. If you're actually buying for yourself, I would recommend going true to size. It hugs perfectly at the heel for true to size. However, the toe has a little extra room on for me personally. That's just what I feel. overall, this was just a quick review. I think it's a very nice pair of sneakers, probably the best colorway out of the lot. There were four other colours. I think black pretty much goes with anything, and that gum sole just makes it a little bit different. I think it would look actually pretty cool with the full black sole as well. However, I think it would look too much like the NERDs. So there's something there. I think actually I might add the grey silvery laces to one side just to see what it looks like. But that's the end of the quick review. I'm going to show you some on-foot footage right now, just so you can see what it looks like on foot if you want to copy it yourself. Out on the 12th of September, so look out for that, or maybe even try the glitch. I don't know if it still works right now, but it might do. Good luck. Hope you've enjoyed this review. Stay tuned to the Instagram. Please subscribe, it really does help the channel. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.